Introduce highlight features and overview summary of Aicheng Professional Cordless Electric Pruning Shears. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Equipped with 2-pack 21-volt, 2-amp rechargeable lithium batteries, long battery life, sustained to use 6 to 7 hours, 1.5 hours fast charging. The charge for batteries can charge both batteries at the same time, save your time and let your work more efficient. Notice, the batteries are not fully charged, please charge the batteries before the first use. Our electric pruning shears can be quickly pruned, clean and flat, does not damage the branches. Blade is forged from the Swiss SK5 high carbon steel and powered by brushless motor. It is extremely sharp and durable, making it easy to cut 1.2-inch 30mm hard branches. Electric pruning shears can be quickly pruned, clean and flat and does not damage the branches. For your safety, the machine will enter standby modes and stop working if 30 seconds without cutting. The machine will cut off the power if 60 seconds without working, then you need to restart it if you want to work again. This electric pruner has a wide range of uses, can be used to all kinds of gardens, parks, farms, large pastures, orchards, greenhouses. You can cut grapes, cherry trees, apple trees, and so on. Lightweight to take or work, and the cordless pruner handle fits ergonomic design, shock-proof and anti-slip. You will not feel tired after long time using. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.